What if I told you there are cars in Japan still running smoothly after 20, even 30 years, not sitting in garages, not forgotten in storage, but driven every single day, while in many parts of the world, people replace their cars every few years. In Japan, some cars outlive expectations, and it's not because they're built differently, it's because they're treated differently. Brands like Toyota and Honda didn't just become symbols of reliability by accident. They became legends because their cars are supported by a culture, a mindset, a system of habits that most people ignore. And once you understand these habits, you'll start to realize something powerful. Today, you're about to discover 5 powerful things Japanese people do with their cars that quietly add years, sometimes decades, to their life. And if you stay till the end, you might never look at your car the same way again. Number 1, maintenance is a lifestyle. Let's start with the foundation of everything, maintenance, but not the kind most people think of. In many countries, maintenance is reactive. Something breaks, then you fix it. But in Japan, maintenance is preventive. It's planned, scheduled, respected. And this creates a powerful effect, because most major car problems don't happen suddenly. They build up slowly. But Japanese car owners break that chain early. They never let small problems grow, and over time, this habit alone can double a car's lifespan. Number 2, the shaken system. Now let's talk about something truly unique, a system that forces excellence. In Japan, every car must pass a strict inspection called shaken. And this isn't just a basic check. It's deep, detailed, unforgiving. Technicians inspect engine performance, brake efficiency, suspension condition, emissions, structural integrity. Even minor wear is not ignored. At first, this might sound inconvenient, even expensive. But here's the hidden benefit. It creates a standard where cars are always maintained properly. And this system doesn't just protect the car, it protects the owner from bigger problems in the future. Number 3, calm and controlled driving. Now, here's something most people underestimate: driving style. You might think, as long as I maintain my car, I'm fine. But the truth is, how you drive every day quietly shapes your car's future. In Japan, driving is calm, measured, predictable, smooth. You don't see aggressive lane changes. You don't hear engines constantly pushed to their limits. Instead, there's patience. And this changes everything. Because aggressive driving creates stress. Not just for you, but for your car. Every hard acceleration puts pressure on the engine. Every rough shift affects the transmission. It's like slowly aging your car. Faster than necessary. But when you drive smoothly, you reduce that stress. Your engine runs cleaner. Your transmission stays healthier. And over years, this makes a massive difference. Number 4, clean cars last longer. Now let's talk about something simple but incredibly overlooked: cleanliness. In Japan, cars are treated with care, almost like a reflection of the owner. Regular washing isn't just about shine, it's about protection. It carries moisture, chemicals, and particles that slowly damage your car's surface. Over time, this leads to paint fading, rust formation, material wear. And once rust begins, it spreads silently, gradually, expensively. That's why Japanese car owners don't wait. They clean their cars regularly. They protect the paint. They pay attention to small details. Even the interior is maintained carefully. Number 5, stock cars equals strong cars. Now here's a mindset shift. In many places, modifying a car is seen as an upgrade, more power, more sound, more style. But in Japan, many car owners choose a different path. They keep their cars close to factory condition. And there's a reason for that. Car manufacturers spend years engineering balance. Every component is designed to work perfectly with the others. When you start changing things, you can disturb that balance. A modified engine might produce more power, but also more stress. Aftermarket parts might look better, but reduce long-term reliability. So when you put it all together, it's not just about the car, it's about the mindset behind it. Maintenance before problems, discipline over delay, smooth driving over aggression, care over neglect, balance over modification. These aren't complicated secrets, but they are powerful. And the best part? You don't need to live in Japan to follow them. You can start today, right now. Because in the end, your car doesn't decide how long it lasts. Drop your answer in the comments. Which habit you like it most? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because the next tip you learn might save you thousands and add years to your car's life.